Hey guys, it's Shaun from Come Along with Shaun. I just got back from Universal where I went to Woodpecker's KidZone before it closed. I was there on January 13th and everything was still there. Woodpecker's Nut House Coaster, DreamWorks Destination, the Shrek and Donkey Meet and Greet, Curious George, and Fible's Playland were all still up and running. It was nice to see everything. One last time, it felt like the end of the era, but it was time for a change. When I went back on the 20th, everything was blocked off. There were DreamWorks character walls covering up the area. I'm hoping now they can replace the area with more relevant theming and more DreamWorks things. I've heard that there should be meet and greets with characters from Kung Fu Panda, Trolls, and Madagascar. There might even be a new artificially intelligent animatronic Kung Fu Panda that can interact with guests. It would make sense for Universal to use more DreamWorks characters since they bought the company out in April of 2016. I'm excited to see what the area is like the next time I visit. Until next time, Shaun from Come Along with Shaun. And remember to punch that like button, hit that subscribe button. See you soon.